Welcome to Content Manager's channel once again. This time we are touching a very important topic. That is autoimmune disease, its causes, symptoms, and remedial measures. An intricate class of illnesses known as autoimmune diseases arise when the immune system of the body, which is meant to defend against foreign invaders, inadvertently targets its own healthy cells and tissues, underlying mechanisms. Recognizing and getting rid of foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria is the immune system's main job. When this defensive strategy fails, as it does in autoimmune illnesses, the immune system attacks healthy cells as though they were infections. Root causes of the disease. Molecular predisposition. Genetic propensity is a major contributing factor to autoimmune disorders. Some people are more likely to acquire autoimmune disorders due to certain genes. The control and responsiveness of the immune system are influenced by these genetic variables. Environmental stressors. Autoimmune illnesses can be brought on by environmental causes such as infections, exposure to specific chemicals, or dietary components, immunological disproportions. An inherent feature of autoimmune disorders is immune system dysregulation. Immune cell malfunctions or abnormalities in the signaling pathways governing their function may be involved. The body may occasionally create antibodies that unintentionally attack its own tissues, causing tissue damage and inflammation. Hormonal elements. Because hormones have a major impact on immune system modulation, many autoimmune disorders are disproportionately suggesting a possible hormonal influence in women. The immunological response may be impacted by variations in hormone levels, especially those of estrogen. Influence of the microbiome. Autoimmune disorders have been linked to the human microbiome, which is made up of trillions of microbes that reside in and on the body. Changes in the microbiome's equilibrium can impact the growth and operation of the immune system. Autoimmune disorders. Rheumatoid arthritis. Mainly affecting the joints, rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune disease. Inadvertent immune system assaults on the synovium result in joint injury, inflammation, and pain. If left untreated, rheumatoid arthritis frequently results in permanent disability. Systemic lupus erythematosus. This autoimmune illness affects several organs and is systemic in nature. Immune system-produced antibodies target healthy tissues, causing weariness, rashes on the skin, and joint discomfort, among other symptoms. A serious consequence that affects the kidneys is lupus nephritis. Type 1 diabetes. This autoimmune disease occurs when the immune system attacks and kills the pancreatic cells that produce insulin. The body needs insulin therapy for life to control blood sugar since it cannot control blood sugar levels without it. Multiple sclerosis. An autoimmune disease that affects the central nervous system is known as multiple sclerosis. The protective layer that covers nerve fibers, called myelin, is attacked by the immune system, which interferes with brain-to-body communication. The symptoms include lack of energy, weakened muscles, and trouble with coordination. Celiac disease. Gluten consumption is the cause of celiac disease, which results in the lining of the small intestine being damaged by the immune system. Fatigue, vitamin deficits, and digestive problems are some of the symptoms. There is a rigorous gluten-free diet during treatment. Symptoms of autoimmune diseases. Joint pain and swelling. Rheumatoid arthritis and lupus are two autoimmune illnesses that frequently cause joint pain and swelling. Inflammation results from the immune system attacking joint tissues, which causes pain, stiffness, and swelling. Fatigue. From systemic lupus erythematosus to multiple sclerosis, fatigue is a common symptom of many autoimmune disorders. Persistent weariness may result from the immune system's ongoing activation and the chronic inflammation it creates. This extreme fatigue frequently goes beyond typical fatigue, interfering with day-to-day tasks and adding to a feeling of both physical and mental exhaustion. Skin rashes. Psoriasis and lupus are two autoimmune illnesses that are commonly accompanied by skin rashes. The immune system's attack on skin cells can cause a variety of dermatological symptoms, such as scales and red areas on the skin or, in the case of lupus, butterfly-shaped rashes on the face. Digestive problems. Autoimmune disorders like celiac disease and inflammatory bowel disease are frequently accompanied by digestive issues, such as diarrhea, bloating, and abdominal pain. Neurological symptoms. Multiple sclerosis and other autoimmune disorders that impact on the nervous system can cause neurological symptoms like tingling, numbness, and trouble with coordination. Thyroid dysfunction. Symptoms of autoimmune thyroid disorders, such as Graves' disease and Hashimoto's thyroiditis, might include fatigue, mood swings, and changes in weight. Muscle weakness. Symptoms of autoimmune illnesses, such as polymyositis and myasthenia gravis, can include muscle weakness. The immune system's effect on muscular tissues can lead to weariness and weakness, which can interfere with daily activities and both voluntary and involuntary muscle movements. Hair loss. Hair loss, or alopecia, is a side effect related to immune system infections. For example, alopecia areata and lupus. The invulnerable framework's assault on hair follicles can prompt abrupt and now and again broad balding, influencing the scalp and other body hair. Now the remedial measures. Number 1. Diet. Anti-inflammatory diet. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet, which focuses on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids, can help manage symptoms associated with autoimmune diseases. This dietary approach aims to reduce inflammation in the body, supporting overall health and potentially easing symptoms like joint pain and fatigue. Genetically modified organism GMO foods and autoimmune health. Genetically modified organism GMO foods pose a significant threat to the autoimmune system, with the application of glyphosate on crops emerging as a particularly toxic practice. It is imperative to avoid processed foods, including vegetable oil, sugar, juices, fast food, and the standard American diet, as these elements contribute to insulin resistance, obesity, fatty liver, and the development of a leaky gut, resulting conditions such as joint pain with swelling and skin rashes, indicative of autoimmune system malfunction. Nutritional deficiency and immune strength. Building up the immune system requires addressing nutritional deficits. It is critical to maintain enough zinc, vitamin A, and vitamin D. It is imperative to get 10,000 U of vitamin D every day, and foods like meats and vegetables are suggested for getting enough vitamin A. Number 2. Avoid antibiotic drugs. Antibiotic drugs, while crucial for treating bacterial infections, can inadvertently disrupt the delicate balance of microbiomes, which plays a vital role in the proper functioning of the immune system. Microbiomes are communities of diverse microorganisms, including beneficial bacteria, residing in various parts of the body such as the gut, skin, and mucous membranes. Antibiotics, designed to target and eliminate harmful bacteria, can also impact these beneficial microbes, leading to a phenomenon known as dysbiosis. Number 3. Stress reduction and lifestyle improvements. Using stress reduction strategies, like yoga, mindfulness, and relaxation exercises, can help lessen the negative impact that stress has on the immune system. Making a healthy lifestyle a priority, which includes getting enough sleep, exercising frequently, and avoiding triggers in the surroundings, improves general well-being. Number 4. Use of dangerous drugs. Steroids, such as prednisone, and drugs like methotrexate are employed in treating autoimmune diseases by suppressing the overactive immune response, mitigating inflammation, and symptom severity. While these medications prove effective, they present potential side effects that impact the immune system and other bodily functions. Remission of autoimmune disorder can be ensured with probiotic diet like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, Details already discussed in the video on Keto Diet Talk 17. Fermented vegetables, especially sulforaphane, broccoli, cabbage, vegetable achars, etc. are best for remission of autoimmune disorders. Number 5. Non-intrusive treatment. Non-intrusive treatment assumes a vital part in overseeing immune system sicknesses influencing the outer muscle framework. Restorative activities and mediation are intended to work on joint portability, diminish agony, and improve actual capability in general. Number 6. Chemical substitution treatment. In situations where immune system illnesses, for example, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, influence chemical delivering organs, chemical substitution treatment might be recommended. This approach plans to re-establish hormonal equilibrium and lighten side effects connected with hormonal inadequacies. Number 7. Medical procedure. In specific circumstances, careful mediation might be important. Surgeries can assist with re-establishing capability and decrease torment in unambiguously impacted regions. Number 8. Training and backing. Instruction about the immune system condition, its triggers, and the board methodologies is crucial. Support gatherings and advising administrations offer close-to-home help, assisting people with adapting to the difficulties of residing with persistent immune system sicknesses. To conclude, realizing the complexity of autoimmune disease which are impacted by a confluence of immunological, environmental, and genetic factors is essential to comprehending them. This article delves into the various autoimmune illnesses that can arise, each with their own set of symptoms that impact different organs and systems and present distinct challenges. Early warning sign recognition is essential for timely diagnosis and efficient treatment. Although there is not a cure for autoimmune illnesses currently, diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes can contribute a lot to minimize the effect and avert the autoimmune disorders. If you found this effort useful, please subscribe, like, and share for the benefits of others. Do comment for our improvement. Thanks for being with us. Take care.